What? How did you? Ah! No, don't. Ah!
3, 2, 1. What happened?
Another keyboard broke. How do these keyboards keep breaking? This is 2 in 2 months?
I told you not to buy the super cheap keyboard. What did you do? You bought the super cheap keyboard.
I mean, you probably don't have to worry about this, do you?
Why is that?
I don't know, you've got like your whole mechanical keyboard thing. Aren't they supposed to like last longer or something like that? I don't know, something like better materials, individual switches.
Yeah, I guess. Like, most mechanical switches are rated at something like 50 million
50
key presses.
50 million.
Actually, wait, no. Chaos switches are supposed to be 80 million key presses.
Dude, why did you not tell me this before? 50 million.
Yeah, they're basically indestructible. I probably won't even need to buy a new keyboard for years, probably decades at this rate.
This is amazing. This is, oh my. I'm not gonna have to buy so many peripherals. I literally only need
what can
one keyboard for life. Like, this is amazing. Like, sign me up. Seriously, this is great.
Yeah, I want to see what one keyboard you chose, because anything more than that would be... What is going on here?
Nothing. I am doing absolutely no thing.
Why do you have so many
I
keyboards?
have a problem.